Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
All right, everyone, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on Icrt.
Hello， 午好，大家好，我是 Alice 彭。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. 好久不见啊！
安久没看到。
That's exactly what we're teaching you this month. That means long time no see. 安久没看到, and then your reply should be, that's right, how are you?
错啊，好嘛。
错啊，好嘛. Okay, that means yes, and how are you? All right, today let's put you in a situation where something is really great happening at work for you and you want to share that with your friends. 有可能是换了工作，觉得哇换跑道很有新鲜感啦，还是甚至升官了啊，
很高兴，
还是呢，年纪到了要退休了，都跟工作有一点小关系的啦。Let's say you just switched a job and you want your friend to know, so you say, I just switched jobs and I'm very busy now. 刚换工作，很忙啊。
嘟嘟弯条路，
嘟嘟是刚Okay, 嘟嘟 means just recently. 弯条路 Okay, that means I just switched jobs.
都没喊
哦，懂没喊，懂就是很没喊，就是很忙 I'm very busy. 所以不要吵我哈。当然不是那么不客气啊，就是真的很忙啊。他应该是很高兴，因为换了一个工作嘛，对不对？
海陆强的工作，跳路。
跳路 Okay, that's a different dialect for a job.
跳路，跳路。
跳路，跳路。Or maybe you got a promotion, 或许你升官了 and then you're going to be working overseas now. 或许要到国外去工作了，我们就把它放在一起，就说我升官了，要到国外工作。
我升官了。
我升官了 That means I got a promotion. 升官。
我去國外。
我去國外。哦，國外就是國外，國外。國外 That means abroad, overseas.
四條路。
四條路。哦，要吃頭路啦。
對。
Okay, literally in Hakka and Taiwanese too. To have a job is actually eating a road, but it really means you have a job now, okay? 四條路。
我升官了，我去國外四條路。
All right. And then maybe you've retired. 我退休了。
我退休了。
我退休了。Okay, 这其实也是不错啊。有些人50岁还甚至45岁就退休了，这种表示他年轻就赚好钱了，对不对？All right, let's review how we're asking someone long time no see, and yes, how are you? 好久不见。
安久没看到。
安久没看到 and yes, how are you?
錯啊，好嘛。
對啊，你好嗎？錯啊，好嘛。And that's another edition of Practical Hakka.
什麼大家？
俺只是張來了。
客家風情由客家委員會監製。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.